Look at this guy, all empty and... Did you just put a marshmallow in your mouth? So today, in the So Yummy kitchen, I welcomed Lily.
I feel like there's sticking my face in it.
I set her a really creative challenge, making the most amazing ice cream sundae for her mom. Spin it around.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Lily is a 6-year-old ball of fun and energy and creativity. I am gonna scoop us a little bit of ice cream. We shared some Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream, which Lily really enjoyed.
I like that it has lots of flavor.
See the little black dots everywhere?
Yeah.
Those are vanilla bean specks.
Oh, I thought they were maybe peppers.
No. Where do you think vanilla comes from?
From cows. Cows' mouth and ears and nose.
Just sprouting vanillas? Like just coming out everywhere? Breyers gets their vanilla from one special place in the world. Do you want to take a look at the globe?
Sure.
These vanilla beans come from Madagascar, which is this island right off the coast of Africa. So these little guys come all the way from over there. If you were gonna pick your favorite person in the world, who would that be?
It would be my sister and my mom.
What's your favorite thing about your mom?
I love my mom's cooking. Sometimes I feel like I'm at a fancy restaurant.
Really? That's nice. Since your mom is the most amazing person ever and you love her so much,
Of course.
I thought it would be really cool to take this Breyers Natural Vanilla and make her a really amazing ice cream sundae.
It could be like a surprise.
Exactly.
She would love it.
So the idea was, Lily draws a picture of what she'd like an ice cream sundae to look like, the most creative, most amazing ice cream sundae. Then her and I would take that picture and we would turn it into a reality.
I'm drawing a big sister and a little sister.
Right.
Aha, they could be swimming.
Did you just have an aha moment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should they have a watermelon bathing suit?
I think so.
How do you think it looks?
Wow, this looks really good. You and I have a lot of work to do.
Yes.
We're gonna have to find all the ingredients to make this. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, Lily.
Yeah.
You wanna come see the pantry? Where we have all the magical ingredients?
Oh, wow.
My goodness. Wow.
That is the most candy I ever seen.
Really? The So Yummy Pantry is a thing to be seen, and Lily had a blast.
These are going to be the clouds.
What else did you want?
Oh, chocolate.
It was literally a kid in a candy store. We're gonna open it on the count of 3.
See what's inside.
2, 3, whoa!
Wow.
Okay, what are we grabbing?
Blueberries.
For the eyes, right?
Yes, I'm going to grab extra just in case.
I'm gonna grab this big watermelon.
What's in here?
I'm gonna give you one guess. Ice cream.
Yes.
Whoa!
I love it.
Have you ever seen so much ice cream before?
No, not in my life.
All right, it's all gonna fit. Come on, your mom is gonna be so excited when she sees this. Whoa, this is amazing.
I know. What do we even start with?
So let's start with some watermelon, and how about a lot of Breyers Natural Vanilla ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's do this.
Give me 5. Yes! Lily referenced watermelon quite a lot in her picture,
I feel like there's sticking my face in it.
so I thought it would be the perfect vessel for this beautiful ice cream sundae. You're gonna push down and you're gonna scoop around like that. You see? Wanna help me?
Sure.
You're so strong. All right, look at this guy, all empty and... Did you just put a marshmallow in your mouth? I'm pretty sure you did. You have an ice cream scoop? You can't talk even, can you? You can't say anything because you got a marshmallow in your mouth. Ready to scoop? Let's scoop. Get in there. Look at that perfect little scoop. All right, so we got our last little scoopy. We're gonna take our offset spatulas and we are going to spread the ice cream so it's all nice and smooth on top. So we can do your picture on top. And we're just gonna nice and easy just go in and start spreading this ice cream. Yummy. Wow, look how creamy that is. So let's start building your picture on top.
I'm building the little dolls.
Big sis and little sis?
Yeah. The hair's made out of these. Strawberry leaf.
Oh, wow. That looks really good. What are the arms made out of? Is it peaches?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Like their face.
Do you like my wave? Am I doing a good job?
Yes.
Yes?
A really good one.
Thank you. I'm just gonna put these last 2 little marshmallows. I think we need one more little scoop of ice cream.
You're right.
Right there. Did you hide a little sour candy?
No.
That's a nice surprise. Look at what we did. A watermelon shark, we did blueberry waves, meringue clouds up here, and then...
Well, we forgot the shark eye. How about this green?
That looks great.
This is perfect. I'm so excited for my mom to see it.
Good job. Amazing.
Now it's time to hide the sundae so we can surprise your mom.
Breyers Natural Vanilla.
And now that we had the sundae finished,
Hey guys.
it was time to show Lily's mom.
I heard you guys are up to something today. What do we have going on?
Spin it around.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you did this. Let me see this.
Take a look.
The little sister and big sister are floating in the water.
That is so cute.
They're made out of peaches, watermelon, and red licorice too. Most of all, real vanilla.
That is so awesome. It is so creative.
Lily was so proud of the finished product. I couldn't have been happier.
That is so good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna have to have another.
You eat how many bites you want, girl.
Okay. It's so amazingly creative.
I learned that these vanilla beans came from Madagascar.
Wow.
They grow so it's safe for the environment.
Oh.
It's so good because it's made with tiny specks of real vanilla.
Oh. I see it.
You see?
I'm so proud of you. I can't believe you did all this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Best Sunday ever.
This is so amazing.